Today I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin decoration for Halloween or Thanksgiving. It's made from horseshoes, welded together, and then painted. And I used a little piece of TIG rod. I think it's 16th inch. That's optional. Paint it all up, and it's ready to go on your porch, on a table, whatever you want. Let's get started. To do this, we're going to need some horseshoes. You could probably go with whatever size you want. I went with the biggest size that they had at my local hardware store. You'll need 9 horseshoes. The 8 of those are for the segments of the body of the pumpkin itself. And then with the 9th one, we're going to take an angle grinder and cut that in half, and then this will be the stem. I'm also going to try using a little bit of TIG wire to be just one of the little curly cues, and for that I'm just going to probably wrap it around a dowel, snip a little piece off, start a weld, and then just dip this in the weld metal to hold it in place. I'm going to use my MIG welder for this, but really any type of welding would work. If you went TIG, you would definitely need to clean these up first though. So to start, we're going to take our first 2 horseshoes. I have mine in opposing directions just for uniformity's sake, but really doesn't matter. And I'm just going to tack down here. And before that cools all the way, try to bend that back a little bit. Tack the other side. And then with those 2 tacked together, I'm going to take my 3rd one and just kind of try to line it up so that they're all in the same plane, and try to get that as close to 90 degrees as I can. Get that other side. And for the 4th one, same idea. Try to get it at 90 degrees to the first 2. And it's just kind of rinse and repeat from here until we have 8 horseshoes in. Okay, now that's all tacked together, I am going to do a bigger weld here in the middle, flip it over, and do the same thing on this side, just to really hold it together. Where this isn't a structural thing, probably doesn't matter, but it's just going to look a little better, I think. That part's done. So now I need to grab my angle grinder and cut this one in half. And now we have our stem cut. So I'm just going try to decide where I like that. I think something about like this should work. Kind of an ugly weld right there. Got a little bubble up on it, but for our purposes, that'll be just fine. Next, I'm going to take this TIG rod. This is, what is this, ER 70S6, I think. I don't know. It's whatever the TIG rod is for mild steel, and it's the little bitty, what is that, like 16th inch maybe? Find my welpers. Okay, I think I'm going to try to just stick it in right here. So to do that, I'm just going to throw in a good puddle of weld metal and see if I can't stick this in it without vaporizing it. Okay, that didn't quite work. Try it again. Oh, it might have worked. Let's see if I can build up just a little bit more. I'm going to turn the welder down. Turn the welder down quite a bit. So give this another try here. Okay. I think I got it that time. Alright, so got that stuck on. These welds up here are pretty pretty bad. That's the basic idea. I'm gonna go grab some spray paint and okay, spray paint is dry. We've got our kind of a subdued orange. I've got this olive green acrylic paint. I'm going to use this to do the stem and the little curly Q thing. kind of think the paint that you use on model cars and such probably would have worked better than this paint. But I think it'll be fine. I do like this color of green with this color of orange. I feel like that they complement each other pretty well. But I'm going to let this dry and then give it at least one more coat, maybe two. Anyway, that is our pumpkin. If you like this, go ahead and hit the like, and if you want to see more of the stuff I make in my shop, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.